So here's a Lake Erie Toolworks shoulder vise. The way it's installed is you'd have your nut block here, you would butt joint it to another block here, and then once that's dried, you would face both faces of it with 3/4 inch boards with holes drilled out for clearance. Once the arm is built up, it's installed just like any other shoulder vise plan is installed. The mechanics of the shoulder vise are virtually the same as the wagon vise, except it's about 2 inches shorter. You've got your brass garter plate, 2 screws, and then on the inside of the vise there's a 3/4 inch hole drilled. There's a Veritas bench anchor installed inside the vise itself, and then a shoulder bolt comes through the back side of the brass plate and threads into the shoulder, or the Veritas bench anchor. I like to use a low profile ratchet. It's best to put a piece of paper towel around the vise to protect it. When installing the vise, you thread it into the arm. You take your brass plate, counterboard or counter sunk side facing the vise, take your shoulder bolt, feed it through the back hole, thread it into the bench anchor, and lightly snug it up. Vise jaw has a hole drilled into it to accommodate the shoulder bolt. Again, when using the screwdriver, it's best to wrap your vise with paper towels to protect the threads.